Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to view blocked accounts on X, formerly known as Twitter. Knowing who you've blocked can help you manage your interactions better and ensure your feed remains a positive space. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. First, launch the X app on your Android device. This is where we'll access all the necessary settings. Next, tap your profile icon. You can find your profile picture or the navigation menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Once you're in, tap on Settings and Support, and then select Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll be able to customize your privacy options. Now, tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, you'll find various settings that control who can see your content and how you interact with others. Next, look for Mute and Block. This section allows you to manage who you've muted or blocked on your account. Finally, tap on Blocked Accounts. Here you'll see a list of all the accounts you've blocked, allowing you to review or unblock anyone if you choose. By following these steps, you can easily view your blocked accounts on X and take control of your interactions. Thanks for watching.